Bonjour. Today's lesson is on movement in the classroom. So we're going to work on movement. And these are the words we're going to use. Woo! Shkena. Alright. So, repeat after me. Say, I will help you. Giga we do kun. Giga we do kun. Say kun. Say do kun. Remember, you have to say these out loud in order to memorize them. If your mouth muscles aren't moving, you're not going to learn. It creates more than one synaptic map in your brain when you say them out loud. So say we do kun. Say help, we do kun. Say shell, ga. Say ga we do kun. Ga we do kun. You, me, I shall help you. Say giga we do kun. Giga we do kun. Say them out loud. Stand up. Say buzziguin. Buzziguin. Say guin. Ziguin. Buzziguin. Say stand up. Buzziguin. Say you do it. Say N. That means you. Command. Say buzziguin. Say he is standing. Buzzigui. Say you stand up. Buzziguin. I will help you. Giga we do kun. Giga we do kun. Stand up. Buzziguin. You stand up. Buzziguin. Come here. Oma Bijan. Oma Bijan. Jean. Bijan. Ma. Ma Bijan. Oma Bijan. Oma Bijan. Say here. Say Oma. Oma. Say this direction. Say be. Say he or she is going somewhere. Say ija. Make it a command to you. You. Say you. Come hither. Say Oma Bijan. Oma Bijan. Oma Bijan. Oma Bijan. Say stand up. Come here. Buzziguin. Oma Bijan. I will help you. Giga we do kun. Alright, say wait. Say he or she, wait, say on. When you see this, that means your airflow has to come to a complete stop while you're breathing. You have to stop your breath. So say be. You kind of make a eh. Be. 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 Be on. Be on. Ba be on. Make sure your airflow stops a dead stop. Stop on a dime. Say ba be on. Ba be on. Wait a minute. Ba be on. Say she or he is waiting. Ba be o. Now make it a command to one person. Say ba be on. You. Wait. Hold your horses. Say ba be on. You could just say be on. Be on. Be on means wait. Be, oh, he is waiting. Bobby is just taking this one and reduplicating it. So instead of just waiting, he's waiting. She is waiting more than a second. Say, Bobby on. Say, come here, Oma Birjan. Say, stand up. Wejibwemojig. I will help you. Gigawidu kun. Alright. Be. That means like sitting. Say be. And zhushk is to slide. Say zhushk. Alright. So that means slide sitting, and it's telling you to do it. So they're telling you to slide over a little bit. Like you want to make room for someone or move over a little bit while you're sitting. Say zhushko bin. Zhushko bin. Say bin. Shko bin. Shko bin. The short vowels, single vowels, they should be said real quick. So we would say shkobin. The long double vowels, you would say it, stretch them out long, overemphasize. Say zhu shkobin. Zhushkobin. Zhushkobin. Say wait up. Bobby on. Bobby on. Oma Birjan. Oma Birjan. Wejibwemojig. Gigawidu kun. Alright. Climb down from there. Climb down. Say ni san dawain. Ni san dawain. Say downward. Say nis. Say crawling. Anda. Say andawe. And make it a command. Put you command on the back. The letter N. Say Nisan Dawain. Nisan Dawain. You crawl down. Nisan Dawain. Nisan Dawain. Zhushkobin. Bobby on. Oma Birjan. Wejibwemojig. Gigawidu kun. Let's do that backwards now. Say way. This the E makes the A sound like Santa Fe or leg pig. Say Wayne. Say Wayne's World. Bruce Wayne. Say Wayne. The syllable breaks after the vowel, except when the letter M or N is next to a consonant. So the vowel is going to break here. The syllable is going to break here. Say duh, Wayne. Duh, Wayne. Say son, Dwayne. Climb down. Nisan Dwayne. Nisan Dwayne. Climb down. Slide over. Bin. Shkobin. 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 Zhu. Shkobin. Zhu shkobin. Zhu shkobin. You, the letter N. Zhushkobin. You climb down. Nisan Dwayne. Get off of that table, Nisan Dwayne. Nisan Dwayne. Slide over, Zhushkobin. Wait. Bobby on. Bobby on. Airflow on here stops 100%. Bobby. Bobby on. Bobby on. Slide over, Zhushkobin. Climb down, Nisan Dwayne. Come here, Oma Birjan. Oma Birjan. Say goes, he or she is going somewhere. Say Ija. ja. Now put a command on there for you. You go somewhere. Say ijan. Say this direction. Say go here, or other words come. This way, bi, this way. Say go this way. Say bi ijan, or come. Say bi ijan. Say here, o ma. O ma bi ijan. You, one person. You come here. O ma bi ijan. O ma bi ijan. O ma bi ijan. Wait. Bobby on. Bobby on. Jushko bin. Slide over. Jushko bin. Slide. Jushk. Sit. Bi. Command to you. And. Jushko bin. Climb down. Down. Knees. Crawl on the way. You crawl down. Nisan the Wayne. Climb down. Nisan the Wayne. Get up. Get up and stand up. Yeah, that's the process of getting up. Say Buzzigueen. Buzzigueen. Queen. Queen. Zigueen. Buzzigueen. Buzzigueen. He or she is standing. Buzzigui. You. Stand up. Get up. Buzzigueen. Help. Beka. Beka. Climb down. Nisan the Wayne. Nisan the Wayne. Slide over. Sitting. Jushko bin. Jushko bin. Wait. Bobby on. Bobby on. Come here. Oma bi ijan. Oma bi ijan. Stand up. Get up. Buzzigueen. Buzzigueen. Help. We do cow. Say, I shall help you. Giga we do kun. Giga we do kun. Kun. Do kun. We do kun. Ga we do kun. Giga we do kun. The short ones are said quick, and the double ones are said longer. A is a long, the E letter is long one. Giga we do kun. I shall help you. Giga we do kun. Misayo. That's it. Use these with your students in your class. Take this slide and put it on your smartboard and teach your kids how to say these words too. And you can both say it. All of you. Misayo.